STS TV checking in, STS TV checking in, STS TV checking in. Okay, so if you want like numbers like these, you know what I mean, or numbers like this, just click the link below. You know what I mean? Once you click that link, send me a message. Of course, it's what Creflo Dollars and them talk about, a small denomination. I'm talking about real small, a small denomination. But like I said, there is a secret to the market. And as the Joker said, if you're good at something, never do it for free, right? You gotta be a fool. So like I said, click the link below. If you're interested, that's if you're interested and you want to know how to just get better at this. You know what I mean? This is if you struggle. If you're a pro, I ain't talking to you. If you're making more than me, I ain't talking to you. Salute to you, bro. Show me the way. I'll pay you. But I'm talking about the people that's they struggling. Because I put 6 years into learning how to make these numbers, right? And these ain't even big numbers, but to some people they are. You know what I mean? It's good numbers. It's returns, good percentages. But anyway, if you want to learn how to be more consistent, I should say, with learning how to invest in stocks, which stocks to buy early. Like I said, cat slap up here. I gave this one. I gave this one away for free. Okay, this one right here. This one right here is for free. But I can't keep giving away everything for free. You know what I mean? So, like I said, hit the link below. Send me a message, and we gonna chat. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna discuss real quick. But like I said, if you ain't got whoop, I ain't no talking. You know what I'm saying? I'm straight up, straight across the board. But like I said, I can help you get better if you're struggling with not trading, but investing and knowing when to pick, knowing what to buy, knowing when to jump in, when to stay in. You know, it's just a formula to it that once you grasp, it feel like you can't lose, bro. I ain't gonna lie, because watch, I'm gonna show y'all. Watch. When cat slap go parabolic, watch, I'm gonna show you. And a lot of people wondering, yo, how you even found cat slap? Because you look on the internet, it's not a lot of traction with cat slap right now. Cat slap is kind of like under the radar still, you know what I'm saying? But watch when I tell you, this coin right here is gonna go crazy. Like this coin right here is $1 million coin, and I'm documenting the whole journey. Like I said, I don't want it to blast off yet. I want it to actually chill a little bit, but it might not even chill that much, bro, because they just started burning tokens, right? And buying pressure still high. So, and people holding. So this is like, you ever seen the rocket launch where like you're seeing smoke? Yeah, that's that. But like I said, if you want to see numbers like that, you know what I'm saying? Get you a good get you in a good program, get you in a good formula, put you in a good program, tighten you up. Hit the link below. I'm a cool dude. Hop on a FaceTime with it real quick. You know what I'm saying? And we can handle that. You know what I'm saying? So STS TV, like, comment, subscribe if you made it this far. And we just trying to get better. We just trying to teach each other. And yeah, that's what it is, man.